Uh, I have been reading various books on birds, and while going through the birds of Chilka Lake, I saw shielding ducks of various types. So while going into detail of the birds, I came across a Monal bird, which is found in Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and China. So this is a male Monal bird, and this is a female Monal bird. Surprisingly, male bird is more colorful, and it is actually a pheasant which is found in northern Himalayan regions. And in this painting, I have given the depth to the painting by reducing the size of the roads and by changing the type of leaves fallen on the road. Apart from the beautiful these birds, this painting becomes attractive by the fallen of various types of leaves, which you have to paint carefully so that it looks like lying on the road, like this. You can see these colorful leaves. So I love this painting, and I love monal birds.